Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to open an HSBC Business Bank account in the UK. So let's get started. First, open your browser on your phone or computer. In the search bar, type business.hsbc.com to visit the official HSBC business homepage. On the main page, click or tap Connect with Us, then select your country and click Next. Fill out your details, including your name, job title, business email, company name, industry, phone number, location, and business turnover. Review the terms and conditions. Tick the box to agree and then tap Submit. Once you've submitted your form, HSBC will send you a confirmation email with your application details. And that's it. That's how you can open an HSBC Business Bank account in the UK. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.